Hello, this is Sisco from Amplify Digital Marketing. Thank you again for watching this video. I spoke with Sharon earlier this morning, and as promised, I would go ahead and send over this video. Just going over your website, doing a website audit, giving you guys some tips and tricks as far as what you guys can be doing online to have a stronger digital presence within your local area. Therefore, be able to outbid your competition, and not only that, but also get more clients. So I'm going to jump right to it. So some of the things that I look for on any given website is I look for content. Okay, the reason why is because Google loves content and they're always optimizing their algorithm. Now, right now, what they're looking for is, do you have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content? Okay, and do you have keywords? Look, I already highlighted this. So this is a keyword. A keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. What I love looking for is the service area and then the service that you're providing. Because it's more likely when customers are searching for something like this, what tends to happen is that these are people that are more likely to be reaching out to you and wanting to find a specific company that's going to service their issue. Okay, so this is huge. Now, you want to have these keywords throughout your content. Okay, this could be pictures, it could be links, and that's just a small overview, but those are some of the things that you really want to have because it helps with the performance of your website. Now, let's just dive into this tab here. So this tab is very helpful. This is a program called Ahrefs, and the reason why is because it helps me understand how and what is your website performing for. Okay, what keywords is it being indexed? But let's jump over to this section here. So this section here is basically like a rating for your website. Okay, this is the strength or the authority score. Okay, right now you're currently being indexed at 19, and then this is your trust. How trustworthy is your site? You're being indexed at 11. Okay, so obviously you're probably thinking, oh my gosh, it's not as high of a scores, which I agree. Nonetheless, though, they're still pretty close to each other, so you're doing something right in this area. Okay, now some of the things that drive these scores is your backlinks. Currently, right now, you have 1,000 backlinks with only 91 referring domains. Okay, so a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. So these backlinks or referring domains, excuse me, they basically act like an endorsement for your website, and it helps build trust and strength with Google. Okay, so the stronger the backlinks you get, the better. Now, like I mentioned, everyone has a specific score. Therefore, not all backlinks are created equal. Okay, so it's worth noting that one, you want to get relevant backlinks within your industry, like in the air conditioning business, the HVAC, or even the plumbing, because you do plumbing also. But if you were to get, for example, a backlink from Pizza Hut, that can actually hinder these overall scores. And that's just one small part of what makes what is a difference within your website performing. The last thing I want to go over is your organic keywords. So this helps you. This basically means whatever you're being indexed. Okay. So for example, these are all the keywords you're being indexed. Now, what I'm looking for, okay, which is super important, is what we call buyer intent keywords. For example, Memphis plumbers. This is huge. So the reason why is because one, it's a service area that you're offering, and it's plumbers. You're a plumber, right? You service that type of work. Now, these are considered buyer intent keywords because if I'm searching for this online, it's because I need help, and I'm going to call whoever's on the front pages of Google. Therefore, they're going to continue growing the digital presence, and they're going to get more clients. Now, let's look over to your competition. Okay, so we got Hiller, and how well are they doing, right? Do they have 2,000 words of content? Do they have keywords? And it looks like they do. Okay, they got some of them. So let's just go over to Ahrefs and see how well they're performing. So look, their strength is 12, but look at their trust. Their trust is 54. Yes, they may have less backlinks, but remember how I mentioned that not all backlinks are created equal? So this makes a difference. The content also makes a difference. What they're emphasizing makes a difference. So let's see what their keywords are, what their keywords are, what they're showing up for. Look, AC repair Memphis, Tennessee, air conditioning repair, and so forth. Now, this is the keyword. This is something important to know. This is the volume. So what this means is about approximately 80 people are searching for this every single month. Now, if you were to add all of these up, imagine the amount of folks that you're hitting every single month that is looking at your website and that you service. So these folks that need AC repair, they're going to call those folks. Now, at least the ones that are on the first pages of Google. So let's see what happens. So let's take AC repair Memphis and let's put it in Google. Okay. So right away, let's take it section by section. So this is the Google Guarantee section or the Google Ad section. Okay, so folks, anybody that they click on here, guess what? They're just gonna get charged for that call, but guess what? They're getting the lead. Okay, they can make up that money very easily with one lead. Now, this is my favorite. This is the Google My Business page. The reason why it's my favorite, because 30 to 40% of calls come from the Google My Business page. So this is crucial for you to at least increase your rankings on here. Some of the ways to do that is get reviews, respond to those reviews, optimize your overall content on the GMB with keywords. That really helps. And the last thing to finish off the video is your organic listings. So currently right now we have Happy Healer, and then we have, I don't even know how to say that. I'm not even going to try, but we got this company here. And then we got Conway Services and so forth. So these are folks that are organically being ranked on Google. And this is all based on what we talked about, right? AC Repair Memphis, the volume, look at their position in number 3 because of their content, right? And that's just a small part. There's a lot of more things that takes involved as far as getting these high scores. But yeah. There's a lot that we can go through, but this is, I wanted to just show you and point out some of the things that you guys could be doing online to be able to get more of a digital presence. I'm just here to guide you guys. That way you can just take control over all of the real estate on Google. Anyhow, my name is Sisco. Please email me back as far as what your thoughts are. If you have any questions, maybe we can just talk about more different strategies as far as what you guys can do to outbeat your competition online, or give me a call. We'll love your feedback. Thank you guys and have a good one.